Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Jacob. In this video, I'm going to talk with you the 3 most critical things that you need to understand if you want to start or grow a 6-figure affiliate marketing business in 2020. But before we dive into that, if this is your first time here on the channel, click that big red button right now and subscribe. And then don't miss the little bell icon next to it, because if you don't get notified when I drop new videos, then you might miss them. The other thing that I really would love it if you could do is smash that like button, because that is the biggest thing that you can do to help this channel grow. The more this channel grows, the more people we can impact, the more people we can help. So I'm gonna roll the intro and then we're gonna dive into it. So let's do it. Awesome, so let's jump into it. So there's 3 things that you need to understand if you want to build a 6-figure affiliate marketing business in 2020. The first thing is you've got to find your product that you want to promote ASAP. So many people out there are going to tell you to put out content, put out value into the marketplace and just see what happens. But what's going to happen, I can promise you, is that you're going to get burnt out. If you're not seeing money coming in from the effort that you're putting in to produce content, it's really tough to stick with it and consistently do it every single day. So what I recommend to people is flip that model on its head. Don't listen to what everybody's saying and just putting out consistent value, because what everybody's saying isn't working. That's why so many people are failing. So what you need to do is find that product now. Whatever niche it may be, find that affiliate product that you want to promote. I generally recommend to people that they find something that's higher ticket, something that's going to pay you $500, $1,000, $2,000. The reason I say that is because you want to be getting paid well for the work that you are putting into this business, right? That's why we're here. We're serious about making money. It's a business. It's not a hobby. So get paid well. So go out and find that product. There's a ton of different ways you can do it. You can go to affiliate networks. Private companies have affiliate programs like ClickFunnels, Legendary Marketer, those types of companies. There's a lot of smaller, more boutique affiliate programs. Influencers have affiliate programs that you probably don't even know about. So do a bit of research and differentiate yourself from your competition that way. You just never know what you might find. I've done this a few times and it can be super lucrative because you find affiliate programs that other people aren't promoting. Like Dan Henry back in the day had an affiliate program. I put together like 2 videos and 2 quick articles, and over the space of a couple of months it made me like 7 or 8 grand because there was hardly anyone promoting it. So go out there, check out your favorite influencers, see if they've got any affiliate programs. You'll probably be surprised at what you find. And if you go through all those sources, you look at all the affiliate networks, you go through all the private company affiliate programs that are out there, you do influencer research and you still can't find something, but there's a particular product that you like in your niche, hit them up. Go through their support channels, hit them up on Instagram, just approach them and say, hey, this is my plan, this is what I want to do. Can we negotiate some sort of commission rate? It might start out lower to begin with, but as you show them that you can actually get them sales, they'll probably bump it up and you can develop a business relationship that way. And that's a super powerful way to do it, because you're going to be one of very few people actually promoting whatever product it is that you choose. So that's the first tip, is go find that product right now. Now, also included in that step 1 of finding the product is we need to craft our own little unique offer around it. And there's 3 steps to doing that. The first one is actually look at what's inside that product, unpack it, list out all the core components and the benefits that it can have for your audience, and then all of a sudden your perceived value's gone way up, because now when you present that to people, they're understanding all of these components that they're going to get and the results that it's going to achieve, instead of just selling them a product. What you then want to do is you want to layer in some of your own support. Now this is going to depend on how expensive the product is and how much you're actually getting paid, but I like to recommend people, if they're getting paid like $1,000 or more, add some one-on-one support. If it's less than that, come up with some kind of group platform to support your customers. And the third thing you need to do as part of that product process is add on some complementary bonuses. Don't just stack in a bunch of crap. Come up with resources that fill any gaps in the product or are just going to improve the results that people get when they implement that product. Come up with like a minimum baseline offer that has the support, that unpacks the product and that adds in those complementary resources. Then you can start promoting it and you can layer more and more resources in over time and really build out that offer. That's the first step wrapped up. That's the first thing that you need to do. The next thing that we need to do is we need to come up with some kind of sales process. Now this can either be a really simple funnel, could be a really basic 2-step funnel with like an opt-in page, a bridge page with a video that introduces yourself, tells a bit of a story, and then recommends your product and pushes them over to buy it. Then you can follow up with email or with a chatbot or whatever. That's the first option. Or you can go even simpler and you can just have your sales process be talking to people, getting on the phone, talking to them on Facebook Messenger. It really can be that simple. But the point here is you need some kind of simple sales process to walk people through and convert them from leads into customers. That's the second step. The final step is we need to get leads to go through that process so they can buy the product. And people struggle with traffic, and it always makes me laugh a little bit because there's literally an infinite amount of people out there. Like, there's billions and billions of people on this planet, and there's hundreds and hundreds of thousands, millions of people in your niche. They're all out there, and they're in the places that you spend time every day. They're on YouTube, they're on Facebook, they're on Instagram, they're on Snapchat, wherever they may be. You just got to get in front of them. And you can do that in two ways. You can either spend money and put content out in front of them via ads, or you can do it for free and you can put free content out there. Either way, you've got to start putting content in front of the people that are going to go through your sales process and buy your stuff. If you can understand that three-step process, select the product and turn it into an offer, build out a simple sales process, and then get leads by putting out content, you will crush this affiliate marketing game over and over and over again. I wanted to give you a bonus tip here and walk you through the most simple way to do this. Block out everything else and go to your personal Facebook profile. Once you've picked your product, you know what niche you want to play in, start joining a bunch of groups that are in that niche. What you want to start doing is interacting in those groups, getting to know people, adding them as friends. Start putting content out on your personal profile that helps the people in that niche. Follow the RVL formula. Share results with the product that you're promoting. Share value related to the niche that you're in, and share your lifestyle. Share with people that you're a real person. The reason Facebook's a great platform for getting started, your personal profile, is that you can proactively go out and add up to 5,000 friends. These are effectively like 5,000 leads. It would take you way longer to get that many followers on YouTube, Instagram, email list, chatbot list. And the reach is actually really good from your personal profile. You can then take this one step further and start your own private group where you put out content, where you help people, where you interact with people. If you grow your personal profile and you grow a group with valuable content in a certain niche, then you can monetize it with a simple funnel or just through conversations. You can sell that product that you picked at the start. So if you want to cut out all the shit and you really want to simplify, go to your personal Facebook profile that I'm sure 98% of people watching this video already have. You can clear out your friends list if you want to start from a clean position, and then start putting out content, start adding friends in your niche, start growing a Facebook group. I've got a video on this channel about how to do that, and then start making offers to them for the product that you have chosen. That is the simplest way to get started in affiliate marketing. What you can then do over time is you can start to add new traffic sources in, and you can start funneling people into your group and start pushing offers directly to YouTube or to Instagram. Bring them into your world that way. But you've got the ball rolling and you'll be having money coming in, and then things get a hell of a lot easier. This is all a game of momentum. When the momentum starts to go, everything gets a lot easier. And that's it. Those three steps, master those. You can do it over and over and over again with affiliate marketing, hell, with your own products as well, in different niches. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you got any value from this video at all, smash the crap out of that like button. It really does help with the algorithm. If you haven't subscribed already, click that big red button. Do that right now. It's just below here. And then also click the little bell icon, because if you don't do that, you'll miss videos. I answer your questions in the comment and do all that good stuff if you want any feedback. So go do those things right now, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.